Penny has dragged a chair in off the street whose unknown provenance jeopardizes the health and welfare of every resident in our building.
Sheldon, just because you have a focus on cleanliness bordering on the psychotic doesn't mean I have to participate.
All right. Name your price.
Kiss me where I've never been kissed before?
You mean like Salt Lake City?
Never mind. I'll talk to Penny.
Thank you.
Will you listen to me play my harp now?
No. I dislike the sound of the harp. Its overuse in classic television sitcoms always makes me think I'm going to experience an episode from my past. I'm sorry, Mommy. Don't be mad at me. Don't do that.